Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove gamma watermark. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Alright, for example, here I'm going to export this particular presentation. Right here, I'm going to hit on export and export as a PowerPoint. Okay, just wait for it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Save. Now when we check it, as you can see, we have this watermark. Okay. Now, how do we delete it? Just go ahead and open up canva.com right here on your favorite browser. Hit on enter. Now go ahead and select a presentation right here. Now go ahead and click on file right here at the top left. Hit on upload files. Click on upload once more. I'm going to select the presentation right here. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just click on it and hit on apply all pages. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is click on a page where we have the watermark. All right. For example, page 1 right here. I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to go ahead over to the watermark, click on it and hit on delete. Okay. Do it to all of the pages that have the watermark. Delete. Delete. Hit on delete. And once that's done, go ahead and hit on share right here at the top right. Hit on download. Click on the file type. Now go ahead and select PPTX. All right, click on it and hit on download. Wait for it. I'm going to save it on my desktop as well and rename it Gamma without watermark. Like that. Hit on save. It's done. When we open it up, right here, as you can see, it doesn't have a watermark anymore. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.